How to send Amazon gift card to a friend. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Well, it is super easy to do, so yeah, let's get started right away and follow me. So first of all, make sure that you are in the correct Amazon.com because I'm currently in the Amazon.com, which is based in the US, so you will probably get a USA gift card. So if you don't want that, then and you want it on your own country, then make sure that you have selected the right one. Now, then what you want to do is simply just search for gift cards, like it's super easy. And over at the top, you have the official Amazon gift cards for every occasion. So you want to click on there, and here you can choose if you either want to send e-gift cards, physical gift cards, or print at home. So you can choose these three options. I'm going to show you every one of them. So first of all, click on e-gift cards. Now this is actually quite funny because you can actually customize these to your liking. So you can even have a video in them, as you can see, which is pretty funny. Also have see more, where you can add much more of them, which is pretty cool. Here you can choose the amount or enter a custom amount. You can choose the delivery via email or text message. So fill in their phone number right here or their email to that friend where you want to send that to, and then from your name, and then add a message or something you would like to. And then you can also set the deliver date when they will get this message or email. So once again, make sure where it says to add your friend's email or friend's phone number. Now then you can actually click it add to cart or buy it now. Now that is how you can send e-gifts. Here you have physical gifts. Now here you actually have also some customization, and yeah, so you can choose any one you would like to. For example, this one, let's say $100 again. And then oh, it says this item cannot be shipped to your selected location. That's because I don't live in the USA. But yeah, here you can do kind of the same like I just said. You probably, instead of have to fill in their email address or phone number, you just have to fill in their address, right? And then let's see the print at home. So we can click on here as well. This is actually pretty much the same, but you can actually print this out yourself, as you can see, and then give it to a friend in real life without them getting it sent to them, right? So that is how you can send Amazon gift cards to friends. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.